What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. Today's video is going to be, I think, part 4 of our patois lesson, Jamaican patois lesson. Today we're going to just talk about some little phrase that you'll hear a lot in Jamaica. People talk to you like that all the times. So I'm going to jump straight into the video because again, I don't want it to be too long. So we're going to do about 10 or so phrases. But before we jump into the video, I want to say to you, if you're not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Go ahead and smash that subscribe button, turn your notification bells on, and get active in the comments. Let's jump straight into these phrases. No bother me. Don't bother me. So you'll hear a Jamaican say, no bother me, or no bother me, man. They just mean, don't bother me. Basically, leave me alone. Another Jamaican phrase you'll hear all the times, afi me, afi me, afi me. It's mine. It's mine. It's mine. Another Jamaican patois word you'll hear a lot. It's not a phrase, it's just a word. It's ginal. Ginal. G-I-N-N-A-L. Ginal. It just means you're a con artist or you try to run tricks on people. Ginal. Ginal. So when you hear someone say, oh yeah, ginal, you're a con artist. Ginal, con artist. Another phrase you'll hear someone say in Jamaica a lot is kude. Kude. C-O-O space D-E-H. Kude. Kude. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Kude. Look at that. This is one of my favorite ones. I say this all the times. You'll hear someone say in Jamaican patois, Jesus peace. Jesus peace. Jesus peace. It's kind of like, oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Or it could be, oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Jesus peace. Oh my gosh. Or oh my God. Another phrase you'll hear in the Jamaican patois is beg your paws. Beg your paws. Beg your paws. Excuse me. In English, excuse me. Excuse me. So if you hear a person say beg your paws, they just want to go by you. Excuse me. Another phrase you'll hear all the times, especially if you're saying goodbye, you'll hear a person say walk good. Walk good. Walk good. It just means take care. Take care. Walk good. Walk good. Take care. Something you'll hear or see Jamaican do, it's kind of a patois thing, is like psst, psst, psst. They're just basically saying, hey there, hey, hey there. A lot of times men do that when they want the attention of a female, or female if they want the attention of a male. Psst, psst. They're just saying, hey there. They want your attention. A patois word you'll hear a lot in Jamaica is yasso. 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 It just means here. Over here. Over here. Right here. Yasso. Right here. I'm right here. Me dey yasso. I'm right here. Me dey yasso. Another phrase you'll hear in Jamaica a lot is a good. A good. A good. It just means serves you right. Serves you right. A good feel serves you right. Serves you right. A good serves you right. A good serves you right. A good serves you right. So this is the final one. I don't even know how many I've done so far, but I want to make these videos short. So this is the final one. A person would say in English, a lot of people would understand, wow. Oh wow. Oh wow. In Jamaican patois you would hear blouse and skirt. Blouse and skirt. Blouse and skirt. Wow. 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 Blouse and skirt. Whoa. Blouse and skirt. Whoa. So that was it. That, my blessed people, was your Jamaican patois for today. I think it's lesson 4. I hope you like them. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Come back next week Thursday when I'll have another. If there's anything you want to know, ask it in the comments. I love you guys. Don't forget to give the video a thumbs up and I'll see you in my next upload. Mwah. Mwah. Mwah.